Dear friends, have a good day. Here in this video, today we are going to look at what is Python. What is Python? Python is a powerful and simple to use high-level programming language. Python was designed and written by Guido van Rossum and named in honor of Monty Python's Flying Circus. It is a famous BBC TV serial. Python is a widely used high-level programming language for general-purpose programming, released in the year 1991. Python's simple, easy-to-learn syntax emphasizes readability and therefore reduces the cost of program maintenance. Python supports modules and packages, which encourages program modularity and code reuse. The Python interpreter and the extensive standard library are available in source or binary form without charge for all major platforms and can be freely distributed. Additionally, Python supports the use of modules and packages, which means that programs can be designed in a modular style and code can be reused across a variety of projects. Once you have developed a module or package you need, it can be scaled for use in other projects, and it is easy to import or export these modules. Two major versions of Python are currently in active use. Ideally is a simple editor for Python that comes bundled with Python. Python 3.x is the current version and is under active development. Python 2.x is the legacy version and will receive only security updates until 2020. No new features will be implemented. Note that many projects still use Python 2, although migrating to Python 3 is getting easier. You can download and install either version of Python in their official website. In addition, some third parties offer a repackaged version of Python that added commonly used libraries and other features to easy setup for common use cases such as math, data analysis, or scientific use. For example, Anaconda is a repackaged version of Python. Why do we need Python? It is extremely attractive in the field of rapid application development because it offers dynamic typing and dynamic binding options. Python is relatively simple, so it is easy to learn since it requires a unique syntax that focuses on readability. Developers can read and translate Python code much easier than other languages. In turn, this reduces the cost of program maintenance and development because it allows teams to work collaboratively without significant language and experience barriers. In fact, NASA actually uses Python when they are programming their equipment and space machinery. Python is a programming language used to develop software on the web and in app form, including mobile. It is relatively easy to learn, and the necessary tools are available to all free of cost. One of the most promising benefits of Python is that both the standard library and the interpreter are available free of cost in both binary and source form. Python is now used to write large commercial style application instead of simple one. This reliance on Python has grown even more so as the internet gained popularity. A large majority of web applications and platforms rely on Python, including Google search engine, YouTube, and the web-oriented transaction system of the New York Stock Exchange. Python can also be used to process text, display numbers or images, solve scientific equations, and save data. It is a language that is remarkably easy to learn, and it can be used as a stepping stone into other programming languages and frameworks. Python is widely used, including by a number of big companies like Google, Pinterest, Instagram, Disney, Yahoo, Nokia, IBM, and many others. Most automation, data mining, and big data platforms rely on Python. This is because it is the ideal language to work with for general purpose tasks. Python is easy to read even if you are not a skilled programmer. Anyone can begin working with the language. All it takes is a bit of patience and a lot of practice. Thank you.